This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 72 of building the Infinity Gauntlet. In this issue, we've got some big stuff to do. We've got the side of the forearm to fit on, and then we're fitting that to the bit that we did before, and then we're fitting this entire thing into a whole gauntlet hand assembly. I'm looking forward to that. Although I'm still not sure I'm going to manage to get it on the bench. But we'll worry about that in a little while when I get to it. First, we're going to look through the magazine, as we always do. This is the Sovereign of the Future. How far has Thanos fallen to need armour and a blade to face such a pathetic foe as the Fallen One? Okay. Not much armour, though, is it? I mean, it's armour, but it's not a lot of armour. It's mostly not armour, really. But there we go. This is from Thanos. The Last Saga. There we go. So the side of the forearm, yes, we're attaching that bit that we've just done to this, and then we're fitting that onto there with 8 screws down there to hold that in place and hold the two sides together. And then we get to put the little caps over the screws, because something's got attached from the outside, hasn't it? But it's quite nice. These are going to be like little rivets over the top. So, yeah, that's good. I'm looking forward to that. Cosmic Ghost Rider. We know about Ghost Rider. Oh, wait. Yes, Ghost Rider was Marvel. I'm thinking it might have been DC, but no, it's definitely Marvel. There we go. And Jerry Duggan. Shaking things up, apparently. Fair enough. All about that if you want to read that. I'm not going to read it because it doesn't really bother me. Right, let's clear this out of the way. Let's get the first bit built and then we'll get on with the next bit. Okay, here we begin. This is what we've got today. It's another big weighty piece. This is what we built last time, and this is going on there a bit like that. It actually goes on exactly like that. No, not exactly like that. Almost like that. A little bit higher. We've got these 3 screw holes to line up on there, like that. I should have opened the packet first. I'm going to put that down. Right, so let's get lots of these screws out. We're going to need lots of them later, but 3 for now. So make sure they're all lined up. Let's get these all in a bit. That's not even going in the hole. That one didn't feel like it was biting. Let's try a different one just in case. No, that's not going in either, so that means it's not lined up. It's pretty much got to be, though. Let's see, that's going to go through there. Ah, I think I might not have had it at the right angle. I was pushing it too straight and it's got to be slightly angled. Let's try that again. That feels better. Yeah, that's staying there. That one there. That one there. And one more right at the top. Right, so I'm going to need 8 more screws and indeed 8 caps. So let's move those off to the one side. I'll get the screws out. I'll get these tightened up, sort out the parts, and bring in the rest of it. Okay, so this is what I've now got all attached and secure, and that needs to go onto here. There, well, sort of there. A bit like that. There we go. That's going to go on there like that, but a bit higher sort of there, so it sort of go partially underneath this, but you can see where the 8 screw holes are going to go. So that's somehow got to go about there. Don't know exactly how as yet. You've got the bit in there that's got to go into there. That's all still got to be attached securely across there. Probably twisting. Somehow twisting and lining up, and because that's that shape, so we can get that in by going from there, maybe. I really don't know. This is going to take some just twiddling, playing, and trying to get things lined up. And making a lot of noise doing it because it's all big metal plates. It's about there. It seems to get almost there, but then there's something stopping it, and I'm not entirely certain what it is because I can't see it. And now I've messed up all my screws that I had nicely arranged. That is going into that hole there, into the frame. There we go. It's just about there. Got to make sure this bit down the bottom there that you now can't see, it's got to be joined up as well. So a bit like that. Something like that. Right, what I'm going to do is get a couple of these screws in, and then everything else should not so much fall into place, but at least fall in the right general direction. So let's try that and see. Going for this screw down here first. I've got another one floating around at the end of my screwdriver. Get rid of that. So that is now in. It's not tight, but it's in. So let's do the same over the other side to give it that bottom piece lined up. Make sure that is popped in place, which it isn't quite. No, I'm going to have to take that back out again. Right, let me get a couple of these screws in where I can see what I'm doing, and then we'll see about finishing it off. Right, there we go. A little bit of brute force to force it in to make sure it lines up and pops in place. But that is now in there nice and secure. I've made sure all the 8 screws are nice and tight. It's adding to the weight quite a lot. But there we go. So then we've got these 8 covers which just pop in place, making nice little rivets. They're quite cool. They're fairly tight, so I don't think I need to worry about any fixative or glue or anything in those. Except for that one, which isn't. Maybe I'm just not lining it up well, because the first one went in really nice. There don't seem to be any differences between any of them. So maybe it's just me. Or maybe that end one is different. Not entirely certain. No, I don't seem to be having trouble getting some of these lined up. I think I'm going to have to get closer to see exactly how these are lining up, because some of them feel like they're going in, but they're not really going in. And I think I'm going to need to push it a little bit harder to make sure they stay. But that is how this is going to go. It's getting there. It really is getting there. This feels like a good step in the right direction. And I think it was just needs to be pushed a little bit harder to get these lined up. Yeah. There we go. So that is that. Couple more of these to pop in place, but that is it for now. I shall see you for more very soon. Although, if you're watching this in the playlist, then the next couple of episodes are already up and at 'em. So you don't have to wait around for the next one. You can just watch the next one in order, unless you've already seen it, in which case, come back another time, and when the next one will be up very shortly. So thank you for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you for more very, very soon.